Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fight Night Champion on Android. This classic boxing title was originally released for the PlayStation 3 and Xbox 360 consoles. Unfortunately, it is not natively available on Android devices. Attempting to run such a demanding game through emulation on a mobile phone or tablet presents significant technical challenges, often leading to a less than ideal experience for most users. Emulating PlayStation 3 and Xbox 360 games on Android is currently in a very experimental stage. These emulators demand exceptionally powerful hardware, typically requiring the latest flagship Android devices with ample RAM. Even then, achieving smooth, consistent frame rates and avoiding graphical glitches remains a significant challenge. Many games may run poorly, if at all, making a truly enjoyable experience difficult for the average user. While direct, stable emulation is tough, some experimental emulators are emerging. For PlayStation 3, you might find projects like RPCSX or a PS3E. For Xbox 360, Zanite is an early-stage project. These often require advanced setup, including specific firmware files and potentially custom GPU drivers for Snapdragon chipsets to even attempt running games. Performance varies wildly, and success is not guaranteed. Given the current state of Android emulation, the most reliable way to experience Fight Night Champion is still on its original consoles or through PC-based emulators. Unfortunately, cloud gaming services do not currently offer this specific title. If playing on Android is a must, exploring other boxing games natively developed for the platform will provide a much smoother and more enjoyable experience without the significant technical hurdles of console emulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.